Hi, I'm Ramal Kosep from Philippines. This is my MMM ideology. MMM Global is not an ordinary company, neither is an investment company, nor it has an owner, but MMM Global is a donation exchange program, a program that helps ordinary people like me survive in this harsh community. It is such a great program which allows us to earn money without leaving home. Our money will work for us while we can do other important things in life, bringing us growth up to 100% of the deposit amount on a monthly basis. MMM Global is a kind of a global fund of mutual aid that aims to destroy the world's unjust financial system. Roles of MMM Global Mutual Aid Program. The money donated in Mabru will have growth to 30% per month, and MMM Global allows us to withdraw back after 2 weeks as frozen period of our donations. Bonus Program. The members will enjoy bonuses provided somebody join and be a member under the structure of the network. General rules. All participants must observe rules and regulations to avoid any problems in the future. Lottery. One-of-kind game that MMM community offers jackpot prize to every member of organization. Holiday. The participants is not willing to attend the request of others in the community and not doing any transaction, the accounts not moving, the MMM system applies holiday mode. The legal status of the community. It is purely helping to people is voluntarily. Warning, don't promise anything to the participant to prevent treaties in the future. Donate only spare money. This community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other, a kind of a global fund of mutual aid. This is the first sprout of something new in the modern, soulless and ruthless world of greed and hard cash. MM Global aims to destroy the world's unjust financial system. The MM Global community runs like this. The more you give, the more you receive. And if you help others, they will help you more. That's all. Together, we can change the world.